Hello and welcome to another KB train spotting video, and today we're at Ashford International, and today you'll see service from Southeastern, Southern, Eurostar and maybe any freight as we go along. And if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up, please do subscribe. If you really want to leave any comment, I'll get back to you as soon as I can. It should be a really nice sunny day and hope it's going to be quite a long one, so let's go and see what comes up and goes.
11:43 Southeastern service to St Pancras International.
Now we've got the first train today, Southeastern High Speed. It's working on 39501A, and it's the 11:23 service to London St Pancras International. The poppy on the train, the poppy train. And we'll get more of this train when it departs. Now the 11:44 service to London St Pancras International is just about leaving. It's 11:43, but it's just leaving a bit late, that's all.
We are sorry that the 11:52 service to Margate is delayed by...
Now we've got another Southeastern train, high-speed train, coming into Ashford International, which is the 11:52 train to Margate, which is arriving a bit late. Which is arriving at 11:55 instead. It should just pop up there you go. And we get the numbers and when it departs. Now we've got another train coming in. I don't know where this come forward to. 375702 on the front, and 375. I can't quite get that one, it's a bit grubby, but you might be able to see it on the screen. Who knows about that one? I have no idea about that one. I will. Oh yeah, it's Ashford down Yard Ashford down Yard Washer Road. That's from, and coming here. Came a bit early. There you go. Now we've got something high speed train going past, going towards Margate. 39504. And that one is the I'll find that out in a minute. So a lot of things going on here at the moment. That one is 11:52, late one, right, leaving at 11:56 from St Pancras to Margate. There you go. Now we've got another Southeastern train, one of the Eurostars.
Platform 5 for the 12:02 Southeastern service to Priory.
Yeah, 12:02 to Priory.
Southley, Folkestone West,
which is 375
Priory.
806, and we'll get the rear when it departs.
Western hangar should board the front 5 coaches. There are usually...
Now we've got another train coming in, which is the train to Ramsgate, which is the 12:05 train from London Victoria to Ramsgate, which is working on the 377-516 on the front. Should be a rear to this one, but we'll get it when it departs.
Platform 6 for the 12:05 South.
Now we've got a train moving here to Dover Priory, 375-806 on the front, which is the 12:02 train to Dover Priory. On the rear is 375-819. Got Eurostar went by there. I went by to get the numbers. Wasn't expecting that just yet, to be honestly. On real-time timetable, actually, I've got a clue where that is because it doesn't really say. Oh yeah, that was that train was from Paris North to London St Pancras International. Came through at 12:03. That would be I think it'd be 374. I think that would be a 374 goes through there, but I can't get the rest of the numbers because it was too quickly. That's what it was. I'm really expecting that just yet, but hey ho, and that's come through. And as I won't stop recording here, we've got a train moving here, going to Ramsgate, 377 on this particular train. 377-516 on the front, and 507 on the rear. 377-507 on the rear, and that one is to Ramsgate, which is the 12:05 train to Ramsgate. Now we've got another train coming in, which is a Southern service. From Eastbourne, terminating here, which is going to be 12:11. Work on the 170. Can't quite see out numbers from here. You might be able to see it better on the screen, but who knows. And that's going to stay here for quite a long while, that train. Now we've got another train coming in. We might have a bit of double here. This train is the 12:15 to 12:15 service to Ramsgate, but you say Sam because they don't want you to go that way, that's why.
This train has 6 coaches. There are usually many seats available on this train.
I'll get numbers when it departs. And I'm going to keep rolling because there should be a Eurostar going through any moment.
Train on platform number 6 is for Sandwich, calling at Folkestone West, Folkestone Central, Dover Priory, Martin Mills, Margate, and Sunny Sandwich. If you're changing here at Ashford for the Southern service to Rye, Hastings...
Well, it should be gone now, but anyway. But I'll come off here and we get another train here coming in. Oh yeah. That was the Eurostar train, which was late passing here. It should be passing at 12:04, but it passed at 12:06 should be 11:57, should pass it at 12:15, which is from Paris International to Paris Nord. Working on a 374 there, I have to say. And as you turn over here, as I was mentioned earlier, with the other train, but unfortunately you can just about see it, but unfortunately you're not going to get much of it, unfortunately. But I can tell where it comes from or what, etc. I don't really honestly know, but anyway, it was a train. I'll get back to you when as I do. And actually I'm not going to stop recording because I've got a train moving here, which is the train towards Sandwich from Ramsgate, which is a 395014, which is a 12:15 service. Yeah, I said that train went by. I haven't got a foggiest clue, I wouldn't say, to be honestly. I really don't really know, so I can't help you that one. And we'll get more train when they arrive to depart. Now we've got two trains coming here. The first one, 377518. On this side, it's going to be a high speed, which is a 395007. We'll focus on this one to get the numbers. 377517 on that particular train there. That one I haven't got a clue where that one going to. But that one I can tell you the high speed one over there. The high speed one over there is a which is the late running 12:16 service, which is right on 12:23, which is from Ramsgate to St Pancras. The other train I just haven't got a clue. I'm just thinking it. I really don't know. I haven't got a fog. It goes to London Victoria. That's all I know. It's going to that typical train. It's going to London Victoria. I haven't got a fog clue of what or situation or whatever. Yeah, I think I found it. It is the 12:26 service from Ramsgate to London Victoria. That particular Eurostar train there. That one particular. So yeah, so it's a bit busy here, but we'll get going. We'll get by everything. We'll get more trains when the trains are actually moving. Now we've got the high-speed train just about moving there. Get the angle right, which is the late running of 12:16 service to London St Pancras. And if I move out, we've got another train moving here, which is the to London Victoria, which is the 12:26 service to London Victoria there. So it's all a bit go-go here. And they're the two trains going off pretty much side by side. Now we've got another train moving here, which is the towards the Eastbourne Southern service, which is the 12:25 service, working on 170. And we've got another train coming in with the electric, which is a networker. I haven't got a clue where that comes through. I'll get more details of that when it comes to course. I understand it's a 465 on the front and 466 on the rear. I might have got the other way around, but ayo, can't quite get the numbers there. Yeah, 466 on the rear, something I think is 026 or something like that, you might be able to see. you know, on screen. So yeah, we'll get there wherever that train is. I haven't got a clue what that train is, to be honestly. Yeah, it's the 12:27 to Ashford, Eastbourne Sidings, that one. So yes, that particular train. So yeah, we'll get more when board depart or arrive. Now we've got another train coming in, which is another of the Eurostars, 375 on the front. 375-830 on the front, and I believe this is to Ashford Down Yard Washer Road. I think it's meant to go to, so it's basically just going depot, I think, and from, I believe, from London Bridge. That's what I do believe. So yeah, we'll get more of this train when it departs. Yeah, we've got another train. Got this train moving now, which is going to Ashford Down Yard Washer Road, which is leaving it about a minute early, but it's only going to the yard, so it doesn't really matter too much. Now on the rear is 375-828. Now we've got another train coming in, Southeastern, from Priory to St Pancras, which is coming late, 12:36 coming in now. Try and get the numbers if I can. 375-823 I do believe on the front, I'm not entirely sure. I didn't get the rear, so yeah, that one is from Priory to St Pancras. Should have been 12:32, but arrived here at 12:36. Now we've got a train coming in, which is a high-speed train, which is a 12:43 service to St Pancras International from Margate. Work on the 395. 395-016.
Southeastern service to Pancras International, Jubilee International, Stratford International, and St Pancras International. This train has 6 coaches. There are usually some seats available on this train.
And we get more of this train when it departs. Now the 12:43 service to St Pancras International is just now departing. Now we've got a freight train coming in. 6734. couldn't get quite got the make of that one, to be honestly. It was GBRf. It was going from Who Junction Up Yard to Dollins Moor. There you go. Now we've got another train coming in, which is the Southeastern high-speed train, going from London St Pancras International to Margate, which is the 12:52.
Southeastern service to Margate, calling at Canterbury West, Ramsgate, Broadstairs and Margate. This train has 6 coaches. There are usually plenty of seats available on this train.
About pop out in the sec. There you go.
Platform 6 for the 12:52 Southeastern service to Margate.
And we get more of this train when it departs.
And Margate.
Now we've got this Southeastern high-speed train moving now, which is the 12:52 to Margate. Working on the 395. 395-022. Now we've got another train coming in, which is the I'll get you the situation. The set to Priory, which is well on the 375-715. The train is. So yeah.
Southeastern service to Priory.
To Priory, which is the come a bit early, which is the 13:02 service, and arrive early. Now we've got another train coming in, which is a Eurostar, which is to London Charing Cross, or maybe not. So I think from Ashford down yard to Washington, from Washington Road. Eventually go to London Charing Cross, eventually. Unfortunately I can't get the numbers straight from there. 375, and I don't know, some 200, some 00 at the end there. Well, it was a bit delayed that one. I was expecting the Eurostar to go past by, but I haven't. I don't know what's happened there, but we'll get more when trains arrive or depart. Now we've got a train moving here, which is a 375-715 to Priory, which is the 13:02 service. And the rear is 375-704. Now we've got another train coming in, which is the 15:05 service to Ramsgate from London Victoria.
Service to Ramsgate via Canterbury West. Calling at Y, Gillum.
We're just waiting for this train to come. So the Eurostar never appeared, and I found it never left the platform at St Pancras International. So I don't think I'll be able to get that one, unfortunately. Looks like it's a short train, so I'll get that one when it departs. Now we've got to pair out the train to Ramsgate with the 13:05, working on the 375-019. It's only a singular, which is unusual for this route. Very unusual for that route, which is the 15:05 service to Ramsgate from London Victoria. Now I've got a train moving, coming into here, into the station. which should be from Maidstone East to Ashford East berthing sidings, it should be. It's going to hang around here for quite a long while.
St Pancras International is delayed by
Now it's got studies going straight away, this particular train, going to the sidings. So 377, I think it's 580, I'm not sure, 330, you can't quite see that one. 377. I think it's 501, I think, on the rear, but I'm not entirely sure. Might be able to see it on the screen. Now we've got a train coming in, another train, which is the 1315 train to Ramsgate from London's St Pancras International.
Platform 6 for the 1315 Southeastern service to Sandwich. Calling at Folkestone West, Folkestone Central, Dover Priory, Martin Mill, Walmer, Deal and Sandwich. This train has 6 coaches. There are usually many seats available on this train.
We'll wait till it pops out. What they do say it's the Sandwich, because it do turn the Ramsgate, but it's not the quickest route. They want you to go the other way, you know, by Canterbury. That's the reason why. And as you can see, it might be the same train. We already have gone the other way from early during the video, but I'm not entirely sure. So we'll get the numbers and everything when it departs. Now this high-speed train, not high-speed tracks, 1315 to Ramsgate. 395018. No, we haven't had this train before. Similar, but not quite the same. Yeah, that was the 1315 from St Pancras International to Ramsgate. Now we're going to have a big, a big thing at the end of my video now, because this is going to be quite the last bit. I'm not going to stop recording at all. It's going to be absolutely mental. So much trains going to pass through here at this present time. So yeah, be warned about this one. It might be a bit messy, but I'm going to go through it. First, we got a London Pancras now from Ramsgate, arriving late, arriving here at 13:23, which is 395015, which is should have came in at 13:16, arriving at 13:23.
Southeastern service to London Victoria via Maidstone East. Sorry, some toilets on this train are out of use. Platform 6 for
And we've got another train coming in here.
Southeastern
I say it's going to be a big one. This is going to London Victoria, which is from Ramsgate, which is the 3775512 on the front. From Ramsgate to London Victoria for the 1326, this one. And at 3775520 on the rear on this particular train.
due to short platforms, passengers for Charing, Harrietshire, Hollingford, Barming.
And if we pass again along here, we've got another train coming in, which is a Southern. A Southern to Eastbourne, and from Eastbourne, arriving late at 13:25. Working on the 170. 170, I can't quite near, something like 03, but you probably might be able to see it better on the screen.
Strike action. There are no Southeastern trains from this station on Saturday. For more information, please visit southeasternrailway.co.uk.
So yeah, I'm just going to keep running. There's no point to stop pausing it or anything like that. I'm going to zoom out anyway, so it's just a bit more easier. We should be getting a Eurostar in a minute on the flyover. That should be in a minute, so you'll get that as well. So it's all go, go, go. So I'm going to keep the commentary going and everything like that.
Maidstone East, Barming, East Morley, West Morley, Borough Green, Kemsing, Otford, Swanley, St Mary Cray, Bromley South.
And we've got a train moving there,
This train has
which is the late running of the 1316, which service to London St Pancras International.
front 6 coaches. There are usually many seats available on this train. Platform 6 for the 1326 Southeastern service to London Victoria via Maidstone East. Sorry, some toilets on this train are out of
So should be a Eurostar, they're saying very, very, very soon. They should be saying. I've got this train leaving anyway to London Victoria, which is the 1326 service, gathered by Maidstone, I gather. So really honestly, I have no idea about this Eurostar at the moment. And I think they've been running quite an issue lately. I think actually now the Eurostar's even delayed even more, so it's not going to be a Eurostar. So unfortunately that's been delayed. So
train to arrive at platform number 5 will terminate here and is not in service. Please stand clear from the edge of platform.
And I think to be honest, I'm going to carry on anyway. Not as bad as I thought it was going to be, but we'll carry on anyway. See what other trains popped up and move. Now we've got another train, Southeastern, which is I think it's from London Charing Cross, I do believe.
This train will terminate here.
Yeah, it will terminate here, as you probably heard there, if you can't hear it. The front desk 375816 on this particular train on the front, and we get more when it departs. We've got another train coming. I went to the Eurostar 170 on the South Southern. It's just now departing, going to Eastbourne. Running late. Really once I wanted to try and get a Eurostar, but other trains all moving at the same time, so it will happen. Now we've got another train coming through here. This is the networker. I think we saw it earlier. 466. Can't quite read the other bit on the front. 465 on the rear now. And we've got another train moving here. which is going to the yard. Ashford down yard, Washer Road. 375805 on the rear. And we've got another train coming in here. Go to London Charing Cross. .375. I think it might be 806, but I'm not entirely sure. And I think that one's Priory to London Charing Cross, I think that one. The other train, I do not know where that one particular was going, to be fair. I haven't got a foggy clue. And, yeah.
Because of strike action, there are no Southeastern trains from this station on Saturday.
Maybe Tonbridge. No, that one's Ashford East berthing siding to Tonbridge Jubilee sidings. That one particular, no, that one, no, I don't know that one is. I think that might be, who knows. It's a bit messed up in the moment, so just record at the moment, you know, everything's late and twisting around, especially Eurostar. It's just, you know, must be something on the line towards France, to be honestly, because there's nothing indicating here in England, so we'll go with the flow here. Here's something Eurostar. There you go. Eventually got a Eurostar, a proper footage. Eventually, it's almost about 3/4 an hour late. It is from St Pancras International to Paris North, and should have passed it at 12:57, but passed it at 13:39. So certainly problems on the line there, and at least I got it eventually. That is the main thing, really. And yes, and I think I'm going to call it a day there today, to be honest. I'm pretty knackered, really. I'm a bit tired now. Need a bit of break, need something to eat, and everything like that. Yeah, I thoroughly enjoyed it here. Apart from the, you know, the delays on the southeastern and southern area as well, which I sort of knew about because they come up on the real train times. But unfortunately, the Eurostar only shows the England side, not the French side. I think there's been a problem on the French side, so unfortunately. But at least I made it just about it anyway. So if you like my videos, please give it a thumbs up. Please do subscribe. If you feel any comments, situation, I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And if you like my other content, so if you know, if you want to look at my other content, you know, on this YouTube, on this YouTube channel, it's KB Train Spotting videos, and that'll be useful, and pass it along and everything. And next station, I do not know what will go to you yet. It will be a Great Wrangler service. There's another train coming in, high speed, 395, I think it's 004, but I'm not entirely sure. I have no idea where it's going because I'm sort of just finishing it here. So this is going to be the last train of the day. Yes, 004. So yeah, it's quite a busy station, very busy station, but busier than the last time I've been here, I have to say. The Eurostar weren't running then. So yes, so yeah, I'll just get you this one, and then I'll say cheerio, really, to be honestly. Yeah, it's the 13:43 from Margate to London St Pancras International. And I'll say cheerio, and cheerio from me. Goodbye.